good morning. Don here from Super Blast Pressure Washing. We got ourselves a 7-beam pool cage to start the day off with. A pretty nice day today. It's going to be sunny. A lot less rain chances this week. Rig's all ready to go. It's still going to be hot, hot, hot. So we have a nice big cooler full of nice cold bottles of water and Powerade. Sugarless, of course. And after the 7-beam pool cage, we're going to have a 3-car driveway to do. And then we're going to have another 2-car driveway that was on the schedule last week that got rained out. So we're going to go ahead and get caught up with that. And then the rest of the week, it's going to be a really good week, all right? Then next week, we're going to be doing the Wesley Chapel Sports Complex out there, and that's going to be a real big job, all right? So let's go ahead and get started, and let's get after it. All right, here we are at job number 1. There's a story about this job right here. When I first started doing this work, there was another guy that lived here. We were talking at the Mancini's Auto where I was getting my car worked on. I was getting the van an oil change, and he asked me how much I'd charge for a pool cage. Well, back then when I first started, I did a normal size regular pool cage, which is, you know, a 4-beam pool cage, which is not this right here. You see this right here? So we came to the same exact house, and I pulled up and I told the guy, hey dude, this is not a regular size pool cage. This is going to be X amount of dollars. Well, he told me, F you, and you can get the F out of my yard. You're a damn shyster ripoff. You said it was going to be this. Anyway, the guy that does all my pool repairs at home, the Pool Medic, Jim over there at Pool Medic, real good guy. He referred me to come out here. Look at all the green in the screens. You can see it. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. I get you some different angles there. You can see it there. Can you see that? I mean, look at that. It's nasty. Okay, trust me. So Jim referred me to come out here, but it's funny that I ended up back here at this job, and I'm going to get paid what I'm supposed to get paid for it. And the guy's very happy I even showed up because he's having a hard time getting people to come do stuff. All right. I also upsold this fence right here while I was here. So we'll go ahead and get the fence cleaned up for him as well. All right. We're going to start on the outside, of course. Down on that far end, we're going to SH all the way around. We got to get these screens clean. And there's some stuff. There's some green mold up on top of the screens at the very end there. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray some SH at the very top. Let's sit up there while we're doing this. And I'll show you how to do a pool cage, okay? And see this outside here? Now when you say you're going to come do the pool cage, do the pool cage. And that means this stuff here. All the way down the back of this pool cage has a nice, you know, if you would just come here and clean the cage and not the deck. I see people, oh, I'm not going to clean the deck. It's like, it's part of the pool cage. Clean the damn deck. What are you being a damn Karen for? Do the work. Look at this stuff out here. Okay, this is a big house. You see how dirty that house is? What do you want to do, folks? You want to get the house clean? You want to get ahead and sell this house? Let's do an extra good job in this area, and I bet you he hires me to do the house. All right? Let's get after it.
long time ago, yeah. I should have quit, baby. Oh,
All right, let's have a look. There, now you can see me. The sun's shining in my face now, right? From the man, lit up man, to the dark man. Anyway, all the green's gone, the screens. And I laid that SH up on top, so it's eating all that up. And you see the outside? All the paver blocks look good. All the way down. The walls got cleaned. All the green is out of the screen. So now we're going to come down this end, do the outside of the cage on this end, get all that fence cleaned up real quick, and around the AC area and the pool pumps. Then we'll get after the inside. All right, let's go ahead and get after it. Job's going along nice. Beautiful pool cage, nice big house. It's going great. All right, let's get after it. Look at the fence before we get started. Nice and green. Moldy. We're gonna pull these cans back away from the area real quick. I want to pop those. Anyway, just enough to get behind there is all you need. The SH will take care of the rest. Once I get the fence done, then I'll go ahead and remove these out of here. Put them where they're not going to get damaged. All right. All right. Let's get out of it. Let's get after it. I mean. Wish you can get out of it, right? Just pay me and go home. You can see the mold up there along the edge. It's the only bad part. And this pavers, these are really good. This won't take long to clean all this stuff up at all. All right, let's get after it. And the outside is just as bad. Okay? No time like the present. Let's get after it.
Down in Mexico. If I follow, hey, my first smile. Oh, you know if I follow, oh, my first smile. You know, baby, I would have been gone since.
Hey, you can see the difference. See, that's like night and day. I gotta rinse this off out here. Just wanted to save that and show that to you. All this paver stuff. Hey, look at the fence, looks great, huh? All right, now we're gonna come in here and get after all this stuff in here. So, we'll put the camera down here by this waterfall, I guess. Which it won't be in the way down this way. And it won't be in the sun either, so you'll be able to see everything. Pretty cool waterfall. I think that was built by West Hernando Pools. They're the only ones that do waterfalls like that. Okay, now you can see up there in that screen up there how that it's dirty, and it's green, but it's going to get washed out with the wash jet tip. That'll all be clean. Now I can see green on the bottom screens here. So all this is going to get recoated and all that'll be disappeared. Okay? All right, let's get after it, shall we? Let's have a look. Everything's been SH
with sticky, icky apple, and it's really fruity smelling in here. It smells so good.
Customer's very happy with the work so far. And I can see there's no green in the screen anymore. What green? I don't see any green. Do you see green? I don't see any green, do you? And we're going to run the mini Mondo on this deck out here too. We'll go ahead and get the windows clean, do that down there. All right, let's go ahead and get after it. get this puppy done. Clean up behind this waterfall, get all the stuff out of here. Place gonna look real good. The fence came out really good out there. We'll do a final review here shortly. But right now it's time for the satisfying rinse. Oh, that's what it is. Let's get after it.
Hello, I'm Bill Bailey, and I'm here with the band rehearsing for Sonosphere. And just to let you know, if Metallica can't make it for any reason, if Lars isn't there, we're ready. Ready? 3, 4.
All right, let's have a look. Would you look at that? It looks freaking great. All the mold's gone. Screens look really good. You can see out. See that? All the green's gone out of the screens. All the deck's clean. Just come on out here. The guy's really nice too. He asked me how much. I told him, and then he said, oh no, that's not enough. He said, oh no, that's not enough, I'll go get you a check. So I don't know what I'm going to get, but it's going to be more than what I asked, and you can always appreciate that, right? All right, now we're going to be off to the SH filling station. So she probably put a good dent in this. Not really. of that tape. So we probably used about 5 gallons. Came out really nice. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. Hey, here we are, job 2. This is a regular customer. This is an every year job. Now notice, what don't you notice? What do you notice? Do you notice anything? What do you notice? Okay. What I notice is no surface cleaner marks anywhere. Okay, now the difference between seeing them and not seeing them is the difference between pre-treating and post-treating and all that good stuff. So I recommend you pre-treat and post-treat. Okay, we also have weeds in some of the cracks. There's a couple up there, and there. We'll put the turbo nozzle on when we're done surface cleaning it up. Okay, all right, downstream injector. I got it plugged in to the unloader block. Comes up over the trailer. Goes down into the old Golden Delicious sauce. SH. We're going to be making a stop today, right after this job, matter of fact, to go get some SH. Get a fill up. All right, here's the rig. Here's the storage reel, 3/8 storage reel for pressure line. I got 100 feet off. Plug into the injector. Come on. Well, you know what? New seals are always tight, so that's tight. It's not going to leak. All right, so what we're going to do is pre-treat. Mini Mondu. Turbo tip. Rinse. Post-treat. All right, you ready? Let's get after it. Let's have a look. I don't see any marks anywhere. Still got some weeds here and there. See that right there? And there's some weeds up there in the travertine. So we're going to get the turbo nozzle going real quick. Then we'll be back for the satisfying rinse and post-treat. Let's get after it. There you have it, huh? Look at that. Nice post street on there. It's gonna look beautiful. The gutter in the road looks good. Just gotta put the this garbage can. Gotta rinse that off, get all that mud on there. All right, well that's how you get it to where it's not gonna be looking streaky and like some $99 guy was here. All right, we'll see you at the next job. We gotta go fill up with some SH. Let's get after it. Well, let's have a look at that paver driveway we did Friday. Check it out. Doesn't that look nice? Did the whole place, the house, the pool. The pavers came out nice. It's always nice when you drive by and see your work, you know? Makes you smile. All right, that's all I wanted to tell you. Let's go get some SH, make some more people smile. Let's get after it. All right, here we are, check it out. Big full tank today, so it's not gonna take long to fill it up. And I'm always asked this question, how do I mix my surfactant in? I just do it right here. What I'm gonna do is fill up the tank first. Then I'm gonna put the sticky hicky pine in there. And then when I'm driving around, it'll mix it all up. All right, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to fill up the tank. Just gonna grab that hose over there, plunge it on down in, and then we're gonna be getting after it. All right. And it's always nice to pull up when there's a full tank and I'm the only one here. Usually it's mobbed. All right, let's get after it. We'll see you at the job.